Okay. Yeah. Melly gang shit, man. Yeah. Prince Avery. Mandates. Mandates. Yeah. Mandates. Yeah. Mandates. Let's get it. Kept my head high and at the same time I stood tall, nigga. Had to boss up and had to be me, not a clone, nigga. I had a black queen that had to teach me on her own, nigga. But mama always knew I'd ascend to the throne. Now I get the shit on my own. I counted up and stacked my bread. It feels like it took long, but when I look back I see time sped. It's clear to see that I'm on, and these niggas heard just what I said. The young prince is all grown, and the crown belongs on my head. And I go Ed, no problem. Going hard, niggas won't stop me. I stand by everything I've done, so I bite my tongue for nobody. See, I'm going hard, this is no hobby. Might as well tell the globe about me. I'm a young king spitting gold bars with a gold flow, but I'm so god. Let him tell my story and all the things a nigga been through just trying to reach a dream. I tell these niggas to bow down and kiss the ring. Cause since a youngin' was destined to be a king. All hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail, said all hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail, said all hail Prince Avery. Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail, said all hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail. Let him sing, let him tell my story and all the things a nigga been through just trying to reach a dream. I tell these niggas to bow down and kiss the ring. Cause since a youngin' was destined to be a king. All hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail, said all hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail, said all hail Prince Avery. Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail, said all hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail Prince Avery, all hail.